Moondrop Audio has been dropping quality products one after another, and we got our hands on the Super Spaceship Pulse for a review. We'll put a link to the full review from Perrivan Audio in the description. The SSP sports a 6mm beryllium-plated dome dynamic driver and comes in a variety of colors, much like its sibling, the SSR, the reference version, which sports the exact same design and build. The 2-pin female connector used here is one that is of a slightly better quality, and we could expect a longer lifespan. The shell design is very compact and resembles the Campfire Audio Vega. The metal construction is super solid and is hands down the best built IEM, not just in this $40 price range. The set I have has a matte navy blue color with gold accent provided by a large hex screw on the faceplate, which goes all the way through and is visible at the back. This is an indicator that the IEM will be very easy to open up. The cable, much like the shell, is very well built. The thick, tangle-resistant PVC transparent insulation exposes the beautiful inner twisted silver-plated copper wires. This cable no doubt is built to last, and it sure feels that way. Upon removing the beautiful golden torque screw, we initially suspected that there was glue involved and was reaching for our torch. But when we slide the penknife to the part line, the shell could pop right off. The ease of this assembly, however, didn't make much sense once we observed the insides of the IEM. The female connector was permanently glued to the shell instead of being slotted into a bracket. Any repair or replacement work will require gluing the connectors to the shell, and will also require a connector with the exact same dimension. We can see the 6mm driver housed in the nozzle assembly, the exact same way the Vega houses their 8mm driver. Upon removal of the beautiful but thin dust cover, we uncovered the sound damper inside the nozzle. This is all the tuning involved with the IEM, and we suspect the difference between the two models to be the damper value used. We will need a set of the SSR to confirm.